ईटी वर्ल्ड लीडर्स फोरम में विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि क्या होता है जब आपके कई पड़ोसी होते हैं। आप जानते हैं कि परिभाषा के अनुसार पड़ोसियों के साथ संबंध बहुत जटिल होते हैं। वे सभी लोकतांत्रिक राजनीति है, सरकारें बदल जाएंगी और उनके देश भी राजनीतिक बहसें होंगे। अक्सर हम उन बहसों का केंद्र होंगे। ये स्वाभाविक है क्योंकि हम एक बड़ा देश है। हमें उम्मीद करनी होगी कि योजना बनानी होगी और अपनी नीति बनानी होगी, ये उम्मीद करते हुए कि हमारे पड़ोस में कुछ अधिक जैविक और कुछ अधिक विघटनकारी परिवर्तन होंगे।
What happens when you have multiple neighbors and by definition relationships with neighbors are very complicated. They're all democratic polities, governments will change, there will be political debates in their country. Often we will be the center of those debates. It's natural, we are a big country. So we have to expect and plan for and build into our policy making an expectation that there will be changes, some more organic, some more disruptive in our neighborhood. How do you then deal, how do you stabilize? Because I'm now de-risking the neighborhood. Okay. You do that by creating the factors of stability. If two countries are linked by, let us say, a power grid, actually you have secured both ends. One is a producer, one is a customer, both have an interest in keeping it going. If you have a fuel pipeline, the same logic applies. If you have more trade, if you have more tourism, let's say, take Bangladesh. I mean, there's a lot of medical tourism which happens out of Bangladesh. Okay, the patients benefit there, the industry benefit. So the whole point is, for the last 10 years when we've been talking about neighborhood first, the entire exercise is about making sure that there are so many connections in so many domains which are so indispensable, which are so deep, which are so central to everybody's calculation, that the factors of volatility get relatively diminished. So whatever happens finally, people will say, okay, we may have those differences, but there's that reality out there. And I think that's good for us.
Are you seeing that happen in Bangladesh with the interim administration? People are talking about extradition requests to
No, look, you are in the newspaper business. For you, it's a 24-hour cycle. I'm in the diplomacy business. For me, I'm prepared to wait at least a few months for anything to fructify. So, I think I would not be in a hurry to call out situations. And look, I'm not saying that to be evasive or diplomatic. I mean, I urge you to look, for example, at our relationship with Maldives last year. A year ago, people were predicting all kinds of things about our relationship. The fact is, the factors of stability at the end of the day